Sanibonani badakwethu, I hope you all good man. Sisemakhaya nangoku guys. Emakhaya isithandile ayifuna ukusidedela. Namhlanje let's make a video guys, sihambani sisiya town ngenyawo once again because last time sayenza so savele saba addicted. So kumnandi nje manje mama nesiya le ngenyawo. Anyway, bafethu, this is the beginning of our vlog. And nje is the beginning of our vlog guys. Masinicela ke bafethu yabo ukuthi ni subscribe, ni like, ni comment. Make sure ukuthi bafethu na share bafethu nabangani benu. If like we thola kwi content like ichazayo or uyithandayo. You understand? Anyway, no vikesi iqhawe ndihamba noLindi Qhawekazi, which partner yami Luyindada, which like partner yami, you understand? Partner mean time, mntu wami, amengane zami yonke lonto le. Yabo guys, so let's go. Yimo khuma kakhulu because ndimowenza vlog today, yena utholile ukeep composure yakhe. Yeah baby. Why you keep composure yakho?
Sekusena kuthetheke guys.
Hayi, sikhulumeni guys. So ke bafethu ke manje aqala vlog yethu sonibonisa indawo esizibona kazinhle. And then yeah, this time zenza ibe long nyana because ngifuna ibe long. Zenza ibe long this time. Wenzela ukuthini, wenzela ukuthi nikwazi ubona ezinye indawo emolweni. Nikwazi ukuthi nibone ezinye indawo guys yabo. And then enye into la kusemakhaya guys, mawuhlezi uhlala nomuntu endleleni yabulisa. Molweni kunjani? Sikhona yabo. Yonke lonto le. So guys, let's go. First wacha. Yabona guys ke la kusemakhaya khona amabhenchisi wafethu. Uhamba nje. Lana wathenga amabhenchisi ayakhiwa wafethu. Ayakhiwa amabhenchisi la wathenga. Original baby. La wathenga ayakhiwa guys. Wama ufuna amabhenchisi. Ngena emzini ucele sanibonani sicela amabhenchisi. Hayi khani ke bese niyakha. Yabona amabhenchisi alana bafethu. Yabo. Nami ndahayela wacela but ndiyasaba. Or sewacela ben. Asiye ne? Sesacela khona ne. Asimqala inyani bese ndasihalisa. Mana. Ashezi kanje kisi. Ulenja bebam. Hayi ngeke kulunga. Hamba baby. Amukokoza. Koko. Kunjani mama? Kunjani? Sikhona. Masicela amapesika mama. Molweni mama. Kunjani? Amedlula ngendlela osicela ipesika mama.
Edlula ngendlela niya.
Sita.
Nisuka.
Sisuka apha aboxolela.
Thank you.
Okay, sabona. Nkosi yami. Tasike guys, ke sibe nenhlanhla zabasivimbi. Baby. Yathini. Yabo guys, so manje siyakha sesaba nenhlanhla. Batha masike la. So zonibonisa mase siwakhile. Content asemakhaya guys ingenye indlela ihlukile kule content asekhona. So guys, sothulile amabhenchisi now. So there's no need la emakhaya ukuthi ubusy wathenga amabhenchisi eshop. So siwatholile siwacelile wasiphile even though besibuza imibuzo eminingi. So guys, sesocela amabhenchisi nibonile ngisho ngikhombile. So manje nenzile i-content guys. So sofika town. So yeah, so sofika town. Manje mesicela umroho na. Abantu bazosipha na dadlala guys. Ngeke sicela umroho. But emakhaya guys usesekhona ubuntu even though bazombuza imibuzo eminingi. But yes. But ke sesekhona uthando emakhaya bafethu sesekhona. So manje sinenzele i-vlog ke size siyofika town guys. Ama-benches sabayavutha yabona bafethu kanjani. Gcwele imizi yonke imizi eminingi lana ke nama-benches bafethu. Nayibona into le. Yibantaze nayibona into lihle kanjani guys. Inhle nyani nama-benches amnandi ngenye indlela eyisimanga. So siyanibonisa nje la ukuthi nje ukuhlala eGoli guys kuniphosisa ngento ezimnandi emakhaya. Guys ukhona ngulube la emakhaya. Nazi ngulube nazibo. Ukhona ngulube. Nazi ngulube. Semakhaya phela la ikho into guys. Lana guys akhe safika sathatha ama-benches bawathatha bawasusa. Abantu bala abanomona. Anomona abantu bala phela. Yabona guys, this is a view. The view le town. La ngapha sasezolisha ngapha. Sasezolisha ngapha. Indlela abayibiza ngayo. And then manibheka la town na ke town apha siyakwami. Siyalapha. Ngenyawo siyada town. But this is a place yala isiteke bafethu yabo. Ubuya ngale kunemizi. So I'm trying to show you bafethu ukuthi we exploring at the same time we want the best. Okay, mazamba. So asehlikeni bafethu. Libona indlela esihamba kuyo ukuthi njani. It's bad. Very bad guys, very bad. Yabo, jo. Ifuna ube nestamina lewe kwazi uhlika apha ngolanto. Kwazi ukuthi kuhamba njengolovo yabo. Kumele ukhulule emakhaya guys man. So ningamangathi le ngcoke qeshe ezimhlophe because unethi imvula so idust angeke nibambe. So I'm on the safe side but at the same time kumele ngizibheke because kwamele ngenze sure ukuthi yene angiyeke lidaka otherwise ngizosekakeni. So indlela bafethu le from and yabona ithemba lami lo livela shine ngala ring yakhe le engithandayo new design and if nifuna bafethu sinayo ku Water Drip Clothing yangithola yakwazi uthola yona nje nge 1.5 yabo lonto. So we got it bafethu, we got it. So nisithinte sikwazi ukuthi siniphe izinika because at the same time we selling izinika bafethu, we selling izinika. Manje ufuna ubona i-catalog yethu niyawazi ukuyithola lapha yana ku WhatsApp or ma social sikhona Water Drip Clothing. If you like ufuna ama number to WhatsApp so afaka la screenini athi 06 777 94414. Make sure you got it. Wenzela ukuthi uzokwazi ukusupporta by doing what? By making sure ukuthi uthenga kithi nama-wig akhona bafethu, i-cap zikhona, amasokisi akhona, ufuna i-Lacoste tracksuit, ufuna i-Nike tracksuit, ufuna i-Adidas tracksuit, zikhona bafethu, zikhona zonke yabo. So make sure bafethu nesupporta. Even le tracksuit engiyigcokile le if uyayifuna le ikhona bafethu yabo. If uyayifuna ikhona yayenza phela. Yayitsangenza bafethu yabo. If le tracksuit le yabona combo nje ndishayile bafethu from la ecathulweni ukuza la. Yabo kuza la le combo le siphethe ikhona bafethu tracksuit. Cathulo zikhona. So i-tracksuit le maye kanjena siyamisa ngo-850 and then icathulo mazi kanjena zona bo icathulo lezi mazi kanjena sizivayisa ngo-950. So phuma kini bafethu iwatch alithengisi ke lona. You see, so we doing those things. So guys, we keep on doing riding, what they call this thing, exploring of this place. Because if anybody kahle bafethu, uhle man la, very beautiful. but I feel sometimes ukuthi phone ayenzi justice. I don't know why, because the phone lady shoot kahle, but I still feel ukuthi ayenzi justice. You understand? So manje niqhubeka lezi video njalo njalo bafisa. Guys, yabona ukuthi abanye abantu bayakha guys. They are building bafisa thebanga. Umzomhle kanje emakhaya. Umzomhle kanje emakhaya bafisa. Ikhona into enjani? Nomuntu baphandle manje ngesikwazi ukuthenza. Ngiyana ngifuna ushuta phansi kwaphandle kwakhona manje. Kunomuntu wakhona othi uyalungisa lapha. Hey guys. Abantwana imizi yabo bafuna next. Amanzi omapha estradini noshuta ngeke ngashuta umzomhle so. Bhekani lento guys. Look at this building. Emakhaya guys, emakhaya. Shine into kanje ngathi manje mawuhamba la abantu hamba esilungwini. Crazy. Because the beauty of emakhaya guys. Hey, this is beautiful. You beyond umzulu. The beauty of emakhaya. Guys, manje siwulicala ke ngoku guys. Elicala lithiwa kuseLipota this side. Sesidlule eLipota no. We still on our journey to go to Sterk town. So far masila yaveli ingale kweNtondobane ingale riding there. So this is eLipota. Now indawo is fresh blind. Yabo indawo is fresh blind guys. So we on our way going that side, and we hope we're gonna arrive there on time. Yeah, sometimes we must speak some little English so that those who don't understand isiZulu, Xhosa, Siswati can understand what we're talking about. This vlog is all about us going from the village to the town. If like we have a Google, you can Google Kromspruit to Sterkspruit town. It's about almost half an hour going that side. It's about almost 1 hour and a half to go to the town from Kromspruit, you see. So we're doing this video walking from the village to the town. We're just exercising at the same time, we're just exploring at the same time, we're just seeing the places, you see, so that even you guys who are watching our vlogs can be inspired to come this side just to view the place and enjoy yourself this side. But so far in our channel we didn't put what they call adventures or funny vlogs. Currently we are busy just exploring the place. When the time goes on, we're gonna put the vlogs of the fun where people they have fun here, vlogs like adventuring and all those things. But for now we're just focusing on exploring the place. And then this is our second video guys, so make sure you like, you subscribe as well, and make sure you share with your friends who gonna enjoy this kind of content, you understand, because other people they love this kind of content, you see. So yes say so ni support abafethu yabo, so sisachange manje limi sesibuyela esintwini ke manje, because we make sure that everyone understand yabo. Isilungu so zama ukumitha halfway, because isilungu is not our mother's tongue, so it's not something like sithetha njalo nayibona yonto. It's not something sithetha njalo, into nje esizomane sivakashela yebo yonto. So yes say guys, so manje sesofika, but madlule eLipota manje guys, we're passing eLipota. Yeah, sesofika khona, because we take 1 hour 30 minutes to go that side. Yeah, more. So we're going guys, go with us, and then share my comment. It's beautifully because it's not well developed, yeah, it's not well developed. Now matraka asebenza indlela in all those stuff. Asebenza indlela in all those stuff, these people. So this place is not well developed, it's still like developing. And then like that is why if like you are investor, you can invest in such places, because when they are developed, you gonna reap a lot of investment here. Only those who are wise who can do that, like us. What we are doing here, we are investing, and then after a long run, we gonna reap what we sow. You understand? Yes, sir. So that place, le good guys, lapayan. I'm not sure about yini le ndawo leya. I'm not sure. I'm thinking mama, lena ndazi leya. Leyana ke indawo ke lapha yana semkhesi nasemahethini. Ba. Iduzane nezwelitsha nemayisini. So those two, imkhesi namahethini sort of ikasi, and then izwelitsha nemayisini ama suburbs. Yes, I can put it like that. Suburbs. You understand? Like they are not well developed, but you are born in future they are gonna be suburbs. Yes, sir. So guys, indlela isaqhubeka guys, abo sahamba. So sesofika manje. After nje ihlahla lezi ezimbini, lezi ezinkulu, lezi eziwu2, after zona so seseduze kakhulu. So seseduze nje kakhulu guys. So we're on the way going that side. Lana ngathi kusakhiwa ngapha guys, sakhiwa ngapha. If you see that, akho room futhi. I think bakhela for abantwana besikole. Akho room this side. Apho khona umzo khona nangu. Abantu thina ugesi nalo umzilo phathi. Nomzo khona na. Evinye khona ngale phathi. As I said in the video leya, this place is not well developed. So abantu basayakha. Build. Now guys, mafuna umhlaba, you can come this side. You can get umhlaba. Minzi kakhulu umhlaba la. Abanye naba le basaqala le sese 1 2 3 4 5. Ene kuzogcwala makwami isikhathi. Yonke indawo lebhile sebakhona imizi uthula ujonga. Okwamanje nje abantu nje abakade. And you know this free. Ngavela manje uhambe utshela uhlale lapha. Hayi umuntu ozokulisa. It's free. Yebo mnandi ngakhaya. Yabo. Afana sekwele konke sekathengiswa because abantu sebabona idemand, abantu sebeyagcwala yonke la nto yabo. So guys, we out here doing the most. So hi Jane guys. At least today nenzele like ima vlog endenyana today, like I did my best. So na amanye ama room la. This one sebewaqedile but angakabona abantu bengenile ku. So alright for abantwana besikolo now. A good tenant. Like nathi bangavele bafake area. What do you call this thing? Stop nonsense is right, because this abasifake la sinteke kahle. Very nteke. Yabo sinteke kahle. Lesabasifake la. So manje sinitshele kulenye vlog elandelayo. Bye guys. So guys, yabo qhubeka nje sesifikile town manje. Masila cooked that na isihlahla ngikhuluma ngaso nalesiya. So masila is not far. Masila kuseduzane nje kakhulu. Yabo. Sibona nje kahle nje wolwini la. Sibona nje kahle nge-naked eye ke ngoku. Yabo sibona nje kahle nge-naked eye. Yabo nansi down lapha. But ke nizoyibona kahle mase sesisonde. Siyasingena phakathi, you gonna see it guys. Yabo. And as mangaza yazi mina nje like it baby. Amantomba la ayanxiba. Baba yaqala sethi amantomba la abanxiba. Serious abanxiba. Bona lo dlule la. Bayibona ukuthi into enhle bona ne. Asera sabasanxiba nje bathi lapho umkhulu. Iland, dignity. Baluze dignity, feminine energy yahamba. Unganxibi. Ngoba expose umzimba yahamba. Abayazi bona into le. Asime lapha singazothela lamanzi edaka lapha. So guys, lana on the bridge, so we have to pass the bridge before sifike down guys. So sesofika kahle manje. Seseduze nje kakhulu. Seseduze nje kakhulu. Yabo. 1 year right now, 1 year right now, 1 year right now. Sesondele kabi. Zezwe phela ndamba happy guys. Ndamba la. Ingabi ifoni yami guys, into engayithini le. Phone idura kanje na umfula bafethu. Umfula. So you see nangu omunye laphayana. Manza la mdaka, but umfula la ukho mkhulu bafethu. I don't know why. But no reason akhona why ngekho mkhulu. Because lo mfula lo hlanganisa imifula eminingi and the work back then sakhula la. Trust me. Umfula kalaza omkhulu kakhulu but manje angimangazi. Like angimangazi. Umfula lo swale phezulu le kuphela ndaba. And imifula kuphela ndaba guys singanicountela yona iminitsi kakhulu imifula engena la kulo mfula lo. But lo mfula wabona uweak kanjani. Yabonisa there's something wrong. In nature yethu there's something wrong. Wasafana kudala umfula mawubonakala ukuthi umfula. Yabo. Uyabona ukuthi umfula. Abantshintshela la moto nje achakuthi asoyile deliver yana. Manje yabontazo yini. So guys, okay ngapha ke bafethu bona manje la uqale new rest ukhuphuka ukuthi new rest this side. New rest. So I know this place bafethu. I've been staying here since ngavase ngimdalanyana. Buya manje ndiyikhehla. It's crazy. Kai uhlezi lokubiza ngendlela yale yahlukahlukene bafethu. Okay, so qhubeka sinizele enye video mava isikhathi bafethu. Guys, we near the town. Sesiyangena town manje. But kamehlo guys, ifoni namehlo like asifana. I don't know why. Emehlweni like seyiseduzane kakhulu but la phone manje check kanti sekudenyana. So that one. Ngizama uyizumanyana. Iyo lena ke guys. Yeah, so seseduzane nayo bafethu. Siyangena phakathi. Siqopha umlando bafethu siphilile sayiphinda ivideo sabonisa abantu ukuthi first time asizumanga. Kodwa into into izumile yabo. So ngesikhathanya ihit asivashe lisihle sishaya ihit into yethu. Nayibona leyo nto. Ngesikhathanya. Usho njalo anyway nami stream i-album kaDanya bafethu is out there bafethu. Inengoma ezinswembu, inengoma engithanda ithi take a shower. Hayi you ghost lapha yana bekhona ngithi wewe you. Hayi nalapha you ghost umfana. Konje lapha uthanda iphonje lapha?
Isigcoka kamnandi.
Yes hayi. Ela dali. Bafethu nami no stream bafethu uDanya udrophile bafethu. Uma support abantu bethu bafethu. You must support our artists. We must make sure ukuthi benze into ezinkulu ebomini. Nani guys ni support. Nawe Danya mabuya le video support bafethu stream, ulike, ucomment. Uyabo leyo nto. Ngoba at the same time nathi siyakusupport. So yes we support each other. Yabo. Abo bafethu lena angazi ukuthi ikhawashi yabo. So ngizanikhomba indawo zala nayo bafethu yabo. Komba indawo zala nayo bafethu. Komba indawo zala nayo hluhlekile bafethu yabo. Kodwa
ngathi
ebile I think mekhona ama office meya khona lana abantu uzama ubuilda ini but let's hope it was successful or vele ngithengisele yona ngifake ishop yami la nalapha yana. So sort of ngapha kali indawo kuthiwa ama-fair like if it is a goal mase uthi ama-firm ngapha but aso ama-firm abanye bayarentisa all those things abanye barana ama-office wabo yabo zonke into ezifana nalezo because this side ama-firm awakabikho yabo because aba-manufacturing actually this side ayikho indawo nekhanda yabona ukuthi ayamanufacture la ayikho bafethu. Ngabe nginqambela ama ole isikole lesiyambona ingane lapha nazi ingane la I don't know isikole or yini. It's crazy. Or no, 3R or ingane ekhaya. Beka uthi crash. Yeah, crash. Yeah, uthi crash. So sisangene etown bafethu, sisangene etown, sangene igebembo ngenolova. We panic inside. We panic inside. Yabo leyo nto. Lawo my friend ke lawana ke bafethu, uqala my friend. Na amanye ama-room lapha. Yabo my friend lawana. Lana ke ihotela nama-room ezansi lamhlophe laphayana. Ama-room lawayana bafethu. Lana isaluni. So just say we seen this place, guys. Singene town, you know, number no lova, number nekhokho bafethu. So ngena Galaxa phakathi lapha basakha laphayana. They're still building laphayana. Lana mechanic and sometimes my electrician kanye. Na ikahle vela kahle ke lana ke manje. Yabona vela kahle ke lana. Iyo iPNP ofike ebusuku. Lala khona la. Yabona abantu labahleli. Bafike ebusuku lala khona la. So ke sivashele one day la ne partner yami just ukuthi si view si promote guys yabo. We gonna come. So khuluma nabo. If bavuma right pe. Yeah. We gonna come just siba viewing but yesilali just viewing nje. I mean, I can see that kind of content, like especially viewing, some details and all those things. Yeah, I think we should come. And then Lana will be to Makula. So it comes again of it. What is not the Lana Chinasangena when about really move? Chinasangena when I really move. When about and the Lana, we are never sure for. But at least my jazz bafethu way back then sihambe emakhaya la ngahamba kusebenza what is into nje imoto lesi amabhaki eseza ngihamba kusebenza amabhaki amakhondo biya neventure right sana but iventure zingene zayincane nje zagcwele amabhaki kakhulu hlala nje emuva kwenzola shuna khona ayibo lento so yeah, lana ke bafethu khalimbazo la. Ashape ke. Lana khalimbazo bafethu la. Lana is all about Lana khalimbazo bafethu lana kwenziwe inkulu bafethu. Kwenziwe inkulu bafethu. Lana yasipana bafethu ngale zinkulu ngapha ba renovate ibo leyo nto. Bafethu wayimnozela i-premium content today. Today I'm abachini kwatile nyanyile. Ngenza sure ukuthi ngipostele i-vlog enje nge-vlog, hayi vlog nyana. Ngifuna i-vlog ethi kuma 30 minutes straight what. Yabo nawa lana zinkulu bafethu. Bese ukuthi bahasila kanje bafethu. Yabo so izinkulu lezi nathi mesithenge for ma braai no baby yabo. Kodwa ngithanda ukuzibrayela vele ke mina. Ya, ngifike sithenge nje la. Sithenge inyama ebomvu. Yebo le nto. Sami ngapha. Sisingenile town guys, but even though singafika phakathi. But we're gonna start a mall, die Capitec just to take out some cash. And then we see what we do for the day. Yeah, and then we see what we do for the day. So out here. So below my tegisi. Asangena esingenile kahle. Sesiphakathi penekari. Lesingenile bafethu. Footland lana amafuna igawulo ulenda khona lapha eFootland. Ukulende kamnandi. Okay manje singena bafethu eRiding manje. Singena phakathi sihambe ngapha. Singena phakathi alo call this thing. Singena phakathi emall na. Singena emall no. Nayi veko bafethu GP ne EC. Ngicela iGP yojayi. Siyazwakala EC bafethu. Yabo ujayi siyazwakala. So yabona ama flag box la. So inside bafethu asingenile. And lapha I want to benzana. I think maybe bayasenda bayofaka amanye ama-shop. I don't know. But umsebenzi yaqhubeka umuhle nje kakhulu umsebenzi wamajini. Umsebenzi omhle nyana. If bafaka ama-shop nase ukwazi indawo yazi baby iqiniso. I love i-mindset ona. So manje se-Capitec guys. Ya baby Capitec lapha ya. Yebo? Akhe sisame yona. Lasihambe sida FNB. Okay bafethu yiyo imall yakhona le. Actually imall Peori Plaza bafethu yabo. Yona le sihambe ngeenyawo sasizofika guys. So ngicela nize show bafethu ni drop ama likes up blue ama heart up blue from the fact ukuthi siwokhile sasizofika lana. Nawe uzofika la ndawo lena kule video le kule clip le manje. Cela ukudrop ama like ama comment awe heart up blue. Ngithola flow ama comment awe heart up blue abonisa ukuthi nawe ujabule nathi. Yayibona leyo nto. Ya nawe ujabule nathi. Yayibona leyo nto le. So you see, man, you're afraid to we just going straight to ATM. ATM the squad. Do you know ATM the squad? KMT the hustler. Yeah, we're going to ATM here, afraid to know. And then we're gonna take out the cash, some moolah, and then everything is gonna be all fine. Hey, money Korea Kaila. Uzibe ngitshela amanye amehla kanjani. Bona indlela ambheka ngayo yathi ukuthi lona songwala. Hayi bafisa simele ukuthi manje singene manje. Khawume public vele nawo. Hey fresh kanjani? Reader. Okay, bafethu, as we landed at town, manje singena phakathi yakhe le mona call just to explore, understand, because now we landed phakathi Benekanti. Understand, now we have landed. Whew. Guys, nyani ngempela yabona uba health does pay. Just imagine sifike apha just by walking nje. Yabo, it's a nice place nga. No, I be feeling future con. Yabo leyo nto. So this is a nice place bafethu, it's a nga plus. Nga plekker. Maphakathi ngeke ukuthi usemakhaya, it's crazy. Imoli yalana bafethu lena na iboxer la. Boxer lapha emuva, Shoprite lapha siyaphlale. I'm just exploring this. Lena la Shoprite. And then just bonisa labantu labana ne John Creek. La bafethu. Yebo. So line ishumi bafethu. Wepe buthini makunje?
Wanda kamnandi.
Okay bafethu. Sa explore lana la Pep store, Pep home. I don't know in there. But it's a night jet, but I know jet. It's crazy, Netflix, Netflix. Then take it down. But it's huge, as like like it's huge. Jellstown, it's huge. And then ngapha in there, ni cafe tree. Lana ke, trip check. Ibolo on Tiki Town. Crazy. Studio 88. Studio 880. And then ngapha Shit Street. Mwenza wonke lamashopa la Ackermans. Angazi in there. But I think it's easy. And then angazi in there. Na legit. Ngithola it is legit but it is pillar. Then ichumbo le. Yebo elithi best what? The best furniture kusho ukuthi ngapha. Power le yini la andazi nawaphi lezi content bazo strong club store straight makuya zamba qondile skipper bar abaveza zonke shop zeni lezi time asopol so I did try my best ukuveza zonke ishop zalapha le okay furniture. So guys, I did try ukuveza zonke shop zalapha Plaza wathi. So guys manje nibabhayisha no siyaphuma ke manje lana sobheka ezinye indawo. Yeah, sobheka ezinye indawo no. Yabo. Sobheka ezinye indawo manje. Plaza siyabhabhayisa. Awanibhala apha Steak Press Plaza. Because ayibhalwanga la. Awanibhalwa apha but ayibhalwanga. So we keep on going. Ayibhalwanga yabo. Buthini ke manje makunje. Yephi. Buthini makunje. So everything's on point. So do the traveling guys. Just put me in the plaza and then no singena la phakathi no. Ngapha I don't know what's going on. But akagcwali bafethu, akagcwali. And then ngapha la I don't know wenzani la. Ba DJ ya la. Abafethu I think sendayivala la le video le because le box enye khona ngala and then another one this side. So yes ma'am, yes sir. We on that, we cooking that.